Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 2. Its title is Good Friends. Today is lecture 7, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, under the title of listening and speaking, we will learn to take turns and we'll learn to discuss facts, distinguish between facts and opinion, page number 18 and 19 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, we have learned how to express opinions in conversation. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. And we are going to learn further to distinguish fact from opinion and demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to take turns. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 256. So, whoever disbelieves in Taghut, the rebel, the Satan, and believes in Allah has grasped the most trustworthy handhold with no break in it. And Allah is all hearing and all knowing. Yes, my dear children, this beautiful verse tells us there are two conditions to connect with, to grasp our handhold with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And what those are? To disbelieve in Taghut and believe in Allah. These two conditions. Taghut means anything, any person other than Allah, if you think that person can do something for you. That is Taghut. So a person who says, no, everything of mine is in the control of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and nothing other can help me out. This is what the strong connection with Allah and a believer. Right? So such type of, it is a very clear, there is no doubt in it. It's a fact. You have to deny every other force and accept Allah's force. This is what the theme of belief is. So such type of things which are crystal clear are known as fact, right? So you tell me, what do you know about fact and what is an opinion? What do you think? So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, I hope you have answered. Now let's see what the fact is. Actually, a fact is a statement that is real or true, or a thing that can be shown to be real or true. Okay? A real statement, a true statement, and we can prove it, we can show it's true is a fact. For example, it is daytime. Okay. Now I'm saying it's a daytime, it's a fact. We have to verify how it's a fact. I can prove it's true. Open the window, look outside, it's daytime. It's a fact. So I just said it and I proved it. That's why it's a fact. All right. This sun is stationary. We know there is a science research about it. Sun does not change its place. There are many articles. I can prove it. That's why it is a fact. Right? And what is an opinion? Opinions are statements that reflect the views or ideas that people have about the subject or the topic. It is the views and ideas of the people. Opinion is actually view or idea of a person about something. For example, my son says all the ice creams are tasty. Okay. Now it is the point of view of my son. He says all the ice creams are tasty. But maybe this statement is not true for many. Okay, they may say, no, I like this flavor. So opinion basically may vary from person to person. Every person has his or her own opinion. It is changed, and even it's changed for a person. Maybe today, my son is saying every ice cream is tasty. Tomorrow he eats an ice cream and says, no, it's not that tasty. So opinion changes from person to person and within the person. But fact is true and it cannot be changed. Right? So let's see what does your book says about it. Open your book on page number 18. Fact. A fact is something you can prove to be either true or false. Okay? And you cannot change a fact. Okay, so these are two rules. You can prove it and you cannot change it. For example, there are 7 days in a week. It's a fact. And if someone says there are 8 days in a week, so we will immediately say, no, it's wrong. Because the true is, this statement is true. But if we change it, it means we are going to change the fact, which we cannot, that becomes false. And the second, we cannot change it. So how we can prove it? Just take a calendar and count Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They are 7. So it is proved that this is a fact. And an opinion is how a person feels about something. It is a personal feeling about something, and you can change an opinion. For example, I think pasta is better than burger. A person is saying, I think pasta is better than burger. Now, another may say, no, burger is better than pasta. And I will say, no, both are junk food, both are not better. So this is how opinion varies from person to person. Do you understand? Can you now differentiate? Are you sure? Okay, I'm going to give you more tests. Okay, I'll show you statement. You will tell me either it's a fact or opinion. So here is the first statement. Apple is a fruit. Is it a fact or opinion? It's a fact. Why? How? Because teacher is saying, no. Now you know the characteristics of fruit. Okay, usually there are many simple things. Fruit has seed in it, and it is a specific part of flower from which it's ripened. And there are many things you can discuss with your science teacher. But yes, you are right. It's a fact. Okay. The second statement is cats are the best pet. Now a person is saying cats are the best pet. Is it a fact or opinion? It's opinion. Good. How? Because maybe another person say, no, cats are the worst pet. Another person say, no, I don't like pets at all. That's why the thing, a statement which varies is opinion. All right. The next statement is coffee is delicious. Wow. A person is saying coffee is delicious. Is it fact or opinion? Yes, it's opinion. How? Because every person has his or her choice. Another person say, no, coffee is not delicious at all. I don't like coffee at all. I like milkshake. All right. So this is how opinion varies. And now there is another. The sun is hot. Again, is it a fact or opinion? It's a fact. And there are two rules. We can prove it and we cannot change it. That's why we are going to place it in fact category. Are you clear with it? Good job. So I'm going to give you an activity to practice it. What we will do in this activity? A line is drawn on the class floor and board. One side of the line will be marked fact and the other side will be as opinion. Teacher will make pairs of students. Now teacher will say a statement for each pair and will provide sticky notes to the students. One of the students will write a fact and the other will write an opinion about that statement. Okay, so this is how you will prepare your classroom. On floor you will write fact on one side, opinion on the other, and you will make the partition on board. Now every pair will be given a statement. For example, now students will write the facts as well. Fact. One student will go to the fact side. He will write the fact and will read the fact aloud. The other will go to the opinion side to present an opinion about that statement, and they will paste the sticky note on board. Example is here. For example, teacher says, say something about today. Now this is the statement given to one pair. Now student one says, go to fact side, and he will say, today is Monday. It's a fact. And the other will say, today is a very exciting day for me. Okay, so every pair will take their turn to do this, and let's see who comes with the best idea. This is how you are going to perform this activity. Pause the video and enjoy this beautiful activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done? So what you have written, you will paste. Today is Monday. It's a fact on the fact side, and today is a very exciting day for me. It's opinion. You will paste it in opinion side, and there are many sticky notes there on your board. You can see. All right. So what's next? All of you settle down, calm down, take your seats, and open your books on page number 19. Here is another activity which you will perform by sitting at your seats. What we are going to do, you will take turn to speak in the classroom. Teacher will say, dear students, what are the qualities of good friends? This is the question for everyone, and all of you will answer this question turn by turn. So pause the video and perform this activity. All right, are you done with it? Good job. So it's your homework. What you will do, you will write 3 facts and 3 opinions about your last school trip. Okay, you will write in your notebook 3 facts and 3 opinions about the last school trip you just had, and I'm giving you a worksheet. Dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give printed worksheet to my students. And my dear children, this is a speaking practice. You will read the dialogues and will join them to the relevant statement. So what we have learned today, we learned a fact is a statement that is real or true, or a thing that can be shown to be real or true. Opinions are statements that reflect the views or ideas that people have about subject or topic. So we also learned that a fact can not be changed, but an opinion can be changed. And we participated in oral interaction by taking turns. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLOs, that is to distinguish fact from opinion and demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to take turns. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.